Hi, this is my modular calculator project for the Java 2 Standard Edition. The calculator has basic functionality, which includes a parser. It comes with a packet of components that follow a modular design. These modules are built for various mathematical applications and advanced operations. They are structured for easy creation, reconstruction of existing GUIs, and portability. The modules offer text, XML, and object serialization compatibility and support for saving data. The basic calculator serves as a top-layer application that implements the module package. It comes with basic functions and a decent expression parser. This is the module design pattern that we're using. We start with a standalone visualization of the data that you're working with called a piece. Then we have the data, which contains all the pieces and is used for mass data transfers and savings. Then we have actions. This handles all data manipulation and operations. Next is the builder. This handles all GUI related things as well as connects the GUI functionality to the actions class. And finally we have the module itself, which just serves as a packaged handler for all the classes. This is a visualization of the design and the contents of the package, aside from the official modules. The version manager is a static class that helps organize the module versions. The module manager is an instantiable class that contains all the modules as well as acts as an intermediate communicator between the memory module and the rest of them. The message manager contains various help messages to act as an organizer for all your help contents. One of the official modules is the fractions module, built for handling and visualizing fractions. This is the actual module when launched. The left is the console and operations, and then to the right are the actual fraction pieces. The matrices module works on a similar structure as a fractions module. It's practically the same thing except it works with matrices instead. This is the console and the operations, and here are the matrix pieces. This is the unit converter. It contains a small amount of various conversions. It runs off of a single click idea, meaning that if you click the button once, it will do all possible conversions for you. Next is the memory module. This is the latest addition to the official module pack. And this is basically a manager that visualizes and contains its own set of pieces. The pieces can be of varying data types. As you can see here, we have data, matrices, and fractions. Now you can adjust these and edit them, and then tell the module to sync with other modules. Now, one of the main advantages of the design pattern that we're using is module reconstruction. If you don't like what you can see, you can extend and build your own. The picture you're looking at is a partial hybrid between the fractions and the matrices module. All normal functions are available and usable. This is the actual code for the dummy module. Interchanging the GUI panels is pretty easy. It's as simple as creating the builders, which is up here, and then asking them for the panels, which is right here. Everything else is already connected. The managers also offer options to tack on your module with the rest of the official modules. All of these saved data types are interchangeable between modules. They are built to look for their module piece tag, and they will ignore everything else. And this is a basic text save file. This is a basic XML save file. And this is a basic OSL save file. Now do note all the basic save functions are built into the library, so all the modules have to do is organize their data and send it towards the library. These are the plans for beta. We're planning to introduce 3 more official modules, 4 if you include a networking module. We're going to increase memory module functionality and inter-module communication. We're going to increase access to the modular components for expandability. And we're going to increase pattern fidelity. There are a few things that are a bit off that we would like to iron out during beta. We're going to attempt the importation of prepackaged module jars for the main application. If we can't do that, we're going to be looking at plugin options. And then we're going to introduce network functionality, which will allow for group-oriented projects and local network data transfers. And if we have time, we're going to increase the functionality of previous modules as well as the main calculator itself. These are the credits and contact information for comments and questions. You can also post on the YouTube channel. Here's mine, and then these are 2 developers who have contributed a small amount to the alpha stage and will hopefully be contributing more to the beta stage. If you don't mind the pause in the video, I will set up a actual demonstration of the project in action. Okay, so this is the actual calculator, and we're just going to run through a quick demonstration. So we do 12 plus 3 times 2 minus 1, that equals, and that is 15. Then we'll go to the fractions module, and we're going to make two fractions, and I'll call this one n2. Alright, now I'm going to make n1 2 times 10. And then what we're going to do here is that we're going to do n1 plus n2. Go to enter, and there's your answer, 21. So next we're going to save these to the memory module. Pull that up, and here they are right here. So next I'm going to clear all that out, and then we're going to adjust the ones in the memory module. So this will be 10 plus 10. And then we're going to save these back to the fractions module, and they're back on the list, and here they are. The matrices module works the same way. So I'll leave this open, and I'll go to the unit converter. We'll go to liquid, and we'll just put in 1 gallon. And then we'll save this to memory. We're going to save the answers rather than the formula, so that'll give us a nice matrix array. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to post on the channel. Have a good one.